Welcome to Peter Evans Art. I'm Peter and this is
Lilah.
my daughter. And how old are you, Lilah?
14.
14, and she is super pumped about drawing Mario's head today. We're going to be drawing it using the lines and shapes. So let's get started. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's do it. With Mario, I'm going to start with his nose, and it's pretty much an oval shape. And I'm just lightly sort of mapping in his head shape, a little bit of his head shape with another upright oval. That's going to be the start of his hat. So his hat's going to come around, and then it's going to end there with a curved line, and that's his nose. Just get his nose, because that's the most important part, the nose. And then I'm going to put an eye on and match the other size eye, and going with the hat rim and then the hat top, the back of the hat, and then the ear. The next part I'm going to do is the chin. Now he's got a bit of a chin, so a couple of curves there for the chin, and then the mouth has to fit down in between the chin. Don't forget to do the teeth, and then the tongue comes back the other way. Now we're going to put in the eyeballs, and he's looking to one direction, and he has the black part, a white part, the colour part, and then the black part. And then the ear line, a bit of hair coming out from underneath his cap, and just making sure I'm tidying up some lines, putting in the eyebrows. Some of these lines I can fix up later when I'm using my sharpie. And the M for Mario. And finally, the mustache needs to come in. And that's just a series of sort of like bumps, almost like the bottom of a cloud, but it's his mustache. And there we have Mario drawn. Now is where I'm going to go over it with a Sharpie, because I like Sharpies, because you can colour it in with anything you like if you use a Sharpie, and it shouldn't smudge. And this is where you can fix up any little bits that you're not happy with and precisely do the lines. As you can see, I'm using an ultra fine Sharpie. I've got some paper underneath so it doesn't go through onto my table. We don't want that to happen, and you can see that any black areas I'm colouring in black with my Sharpie, and it's looking better already. I'm being precise with the outlining and the positioning of my lines, and it's looking a lot like Mario now, rather than just some grey lines here and there. Make sure you work out which lines to keep, which lines you're going to rub out. You can see I've just made his cap a little bit taller there. So I've just cut a bit of the M off, so I've lifted that up a little bit to make sure you can see the M. And there we have Mario drawn with the thin one. Now I'm using a fine Sharpie, and I'm colouring in the sections that should be dark, making sure that all the dark areas are mapped in. And with this picture, I'm also going to just run a thicker outline around his head just to finish him off. Kind of like the variety of line between the thinner lines, inner lines, and the thicker outer lines. And there you can see we have Mario's looking pretty good. Just touching up a few little areas there. And time to rub out. Again, holding the paper nice and neatly so it doesn't crinkle. And we are now ready to add some colour. Choosing a nice red to colour in the hat and the M for Mario. Make sure your pencil's nice and sharp. The pencil I'm using here is a soft watercolour. You might just use some normal normal pencils, but I could turn that into paint if I wanted to, or just leave it as pencil. As you can see, just trying to stay in the shapes and the lines. I've got the hat to do, probably do a little bit of the tongue as well. Going over, darkening up some of the darker bits by pressing a little bit harder. I've got a nice skin colour for the skin, just putting on some light colour. Don't really want to colour over my any black lines because we want them to stay nice and black. But you can see that I outline certain sections and then just sort of colour it within the shapes. It's just good practice. The more you do something, the better you're going to get at colouring and shading and staying in the lines. It's good practice, kids. Alright, just a couple more things to do. I'm going to use a nice blue just to put a bit of blue in his blue eyes. He's got nice blue eyes to match the red, and finally the red tongue. There we have a simple coloured in version of Mario. I'm just adding a little bit of grey, darker bits in the white, and maybe on the bottom of his nose, just a bit of shading. Just in a few little areas here and there, just to provide a bit of interest. You can go back and press over with your skin colour going a bit darker as well. And that just provides a bit of extra, a little bit of 3D, not much, but adds a bit of interest to your work. And you'll be able to see my picture of Mario finished, and then lovely Lilah's drawing of Mario. And stay tuned for our blooper.
Welcome to Peter Evans Art. I'm Peter, and this is
Lilah.
And today we're going to draw Mario's head. Now you are super excited about Mario, aren't you, Lilah?